How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over how you can use our MultiColor linear products to run for two different applications. So for example here, I brought a MultiColor Virtue-2 and a red, clear, amber color combination. So I'll go ahead and power on my unit here. Now you do have two power modes. So in power mode 1, you'll see I have a flash pattern programmed. And then in power mode 2, I have a different flash pattern programmed. Now you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between its primary and secondary colors. Now for example here, I brought a red, clear, amber. So my primary color will be red, clear, and my secondary color will be amber. Now my goal here is to program a flash pattern in red, clear in one power mode for one application, and then program a different flash pattern in just amber for my power mode 2. So the way you'll want to do this is in power mode 1 or 2, whichever mode you're in, you can cycle to your flash pattern. Now you'll notice at the end of the pattern sequence, you'll have 4 patterns in your primary color, and you'll have 4 patterns in your secondary color. So for example here, I'll go ahead and program a red, clear flash pattern. So once I have that programmed, I can go ahead and flip over to my second power mode. Now you'll notice that I do have memory recall in each power mode, so I can easily cycle between power mode 2 and power mode 1. And again, here for example, in power mode 2, I programmed a red, clear flash pattern. So in power mode 1, I want to go back and I want to program an amber flash pattern. So again, I'll cycle to the end of the pattern sequence. So let me get to the end of the pattern sequence. And again, you'll have 4 patterns in your primary color. So you'll see pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, pattern 4. And then I'll have 4 patterns in my secondary color. So for example here, again, my primary color was red, clear, and my secondary color is amber. So you'll see I can get a amber flash pattern programmed here in my second power mode. So then I can easily swap between power mode 1 or back to power mode 2, so I can easily flash red, clear, or I can go to my other power mode and I can flash amber. So you'll see that you can easily swap between the two colors for 2 different applications, whether you're in power mode 1 or back to power mode 2. And you'll have your power mode 1 and power mode 2 cables in your cable harness here if you would like to hardwire. So you'll see that you have plenty of functionality with our MultiColor Virtue-2 Dash Lights, 1, 2, and 4 head units, and this same functionality will work in our MultiColor Raptor X visor bar or our MultiColor K-Force Micro 14 or 18-inch mini light bars as well. And we have these units available in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. Make sure to watch our product demos and also use our interactive players to see exactly how your products will function. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.